Stop tossing these. Use them to grow stronger, healthier seedlings, free and biodegradable. Cut toilet paper rolls into little rings. These are your new mini seed beds. Pop them into your garden bed, nice and close together. Drop in your seeds. These rings help keep them warm, moist and safe from pests. Cover lightly with soil, give them a drink and let nature do the rest. In a few days, you'll see sprouts popping up right inside the rolls. Follow me for more simple garden hacks where birds sing and buds bloom.